Check this shit out! Whoa! Holy fuck! This place is unreal, huh? Just like the results of 1 week in Costa Rica in a tropical environment. Dude, this is some next level shit. Like, I understand pretty well how big of a role an environment plays in the health of a human being, and I knew pretty well that I would get pretty damn good results coming here, but I didn't think they would happen like that, this fast. This is my 7th full day here, and the results of my physical and spiritual whatever well-being have been quite amazing to Mr. Base Science. I think we are onto something over here, guys. We are onto something big. Now, I have been preaching about this environment, and what is the best environment. It's probably the tropical environment for human beings. I've been preaching about this for quite a while, but now we actually experiencing it, and it is always a different story when you actually experience your beliefs. You make your beliefs turn into reality, and maybe into falsehoods or the truth. And maybe I'm just placebo maxing to the max. Obviously, this is all new to me. It's very exciting. I'm meeting all kinds of new people, new places to see, all kinds of new animals, new beaches to roam around. Obviously, I'm placebo maxing to the maximum level. But still, these kind of results that I've been having in 7 days, it ain't all placebo. My hair has gotten way thicker already. Like, way better. It's thick now all the time. Like in Finland, I kinda felt like I had to do everything perfect to keep progressing with my hair. Here, I can just I don't have to care about it at all. I just tell you that. I don't have to give 2 fucks what I do with my hair. It just feels strong, robust, thick, healthy. Same with my skin. I just have to be outside all day in a tropical environment. Get a lot of sunshine, maybe a little too much sunshine in the last couple of days. Little bit too much for my Finnish gringo ass. But same, my skin has been unreal. Like I said in one of the previous videos, like I look and feel so hydrated. Like everything just blooms out. Like all those freaking wrinkles I may have gotten to myself with my 4 years of veganism and all this freaking 5G living in Finland, in city in Finland, all that. Like I feel like all of those are gone already. Oh, there's some freaking... I'm sweating like a motherfucker. It's hot. That's why I'm so hydrated. So yeah, my skin, my hair has been amazing. My energy levels, like, if you don't know that there's new levels, you don't know. Like, I thought I was doing pretty well at the end of my raw chicken experiment in Finland, but I thought wrong. There's levels to this shit, kids. I feel like I felt when I was 20 years old. So like 12 years ago. I feel about 12 years younger. I started to work out here. Started to just do some push-ups, run in the beach, do some backflips, sprints. Just for fun, because I have so much energy here. It's crazy. I wake up when the sun rises, which is obviously the best thing for your circadian rhythms, your clocks, your inner clocks that run the software, that's the software that runs the hardware, that's your health. Always do that. It's super easy here because the sun rises always at the same time and the sun sets at the same time. So it's very easy for you to set your body into the natural rhythm. In Finland, it's crazy. It's almost impossible to do that year long because the light cycles go up and down, and that messes up with your body as well. Here, easy. Here, sun, easy. Here, magnetism, easy. We are on the freaking volcanic Costa Rica, on the beaches, in the sea, in the seawater pools. All of those things. Like the grounding effect here, it is unreal. Just like the sun is. So it's no freaking wonder I feel so good. I have seen only 2 5G towers over here. They are very far apart. And most of the time I'm in the beach, I'm in the jungle. So the nature mitigates the effects. So there's way less of non-native EMFs, way less here, which is amazing. So yeah, my energy has been just next level. Every single day I feel like this is the best I have felt in about 10 to 15 years. And I just laugh to myself. I get goosebumps just from the nature. Yesterday I was watching the sunrise over the Pacific Ocean, which was the first one I got to ever see in my life, when the sun just goes down to the ocean. And it almost brought like tears to my eyes. I got like emotional. It was such a cool feeling to see and experience that. Like, the power of nature it's just such a next level here. Anyway, I probably should get going so I can get back here because the tides are turning. But anyway, yeah, my sleep has been amazing as well. Extremely good sleep. My digestion, amazing. Very regular. Some of the easiest poops I have ever had. So obviously that's been like everything just works like it's supposed to work. And I said that with my raw chicken experiment in Finland, but this is like that to a whole freaking 10 different levels on top of that. So yeah, it's amazing. Get your ass to the tropics immediately. The people are much nicer. They're much more natural human beings here. Way more, I tell you that. But anyway, I need to get going so I don't get stranded over here, because I need to get over that. I keep you updated. The science never stops. We still need to... Maybe this is just all placebo. It's not this insane nature making me feel good as a motherfucker. Who knows? But yeah, it's been amazing. The people have been amazing. I have had so many good interactions with other people, way more than I had in Finland. Even though I have very good friends and family that I love in Finland, but our goals ain't really matching. Their level of redox vitality ain't really matching with mine. Their ideas about what life should be ain't really matching with mine. So I love my friends and family in Finland, but you gotta get out there. You gotta get out there if you feel like your environment is not serving you right. And you know that. You feel like shit here. You don't have to do shit. You don't have to make everything perfect because everything is perfect already. That's about that. See you guys tomorrow.